So we are outside Costco and look what we got here. This is labeled the Ioniq 6 from Hyundai. The long range all-wheel drive 20-inch wheels. Looks good, looks good. Now the one thing I wanted to point out is if you look at all the doors and the handles, how are you supposed to open this darn thing? Where did that look familiar? Where does that look familiar? Oh yeah, that's right. Literally every Tesla already has this idea. So good job, Hyundai. Hyundai, you're about 5 years too late on trying to innovate in this industry. But good job for trying.